Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Lightning Shard, Base Staff, and the 1/2 Upgrade Catalyst are on hand. Head to the designated Forge Zone immediately and clear nearby enemies so you have uninterrupted time. Once done, activate the power nodes in sequence to charge the workbench. This supplies necessary energy and prevents failure mid-process. Make sure to equip any passive buffs that increase success chance. They stack with catalyst effects and reduce rollback risk when you attempt the first upgrade step. You now execute the core upgrade. Insert the base staff and lightning shard into the forge slot, then charge the energy bar to at least 75% because lower levels increase corruption risk. Next, apply the catalyst while holding your stance key and watch for the blue spark animation. That signals the catalyst registered correctly. Then you must perform the timed input sequence: pulse, hold, and release within the white timing window. This precision reduces component loss and raises the upgrade success rate significantly. You finish by cooling and stabilizing the staff at the anvil for 12 seconds. Remain nearby and avoid interrupts because movement cancels stabilization. Once cooled, test the lightning ability on a non-quest dummy to confirm damage, range, and any new effects. If the upgrade fails, reclaim partial materials and study the failure. Low node charge or missed timing are common. Then increase node charge and retry using 10% more catalyst or a precision buff to improve success odds on the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.